Chloe's magazine and box kit is here, and I wanted to share it with you. Why do we call it a magazine and box kit? Well, number one, it comes in a box. That makes sense, doesn't it? And there is a magazine, but what is more about these is all the goodies that you get. So let me set this aside and show you those goodies. We're going to start with some cutting dies. These are lacy butterflies in 2 sizes. So you're going to get the lacy one and then the outside piece, and there you can see them there. You're also getting this very pretty embossing folder. You can see the flowers and the butterflies, really nice. That little grouping of leaves in the corner. I'm going to show you some projects with that. You also are going to get all of these stamps, and I should have counted them for you, but as you can see, they are really pretty. And again, going with the butterflies and flowers, then you get a stencil. So you are getting just really pretty everything. Oh, and in the magazine, you're going to get some papers too. So let's just get into the magazine and show you what is there, at least what piqued my interest. So we'll start at the beginning. So here's just a nice array of what you're getting. Here's what those 16 papers look like. In fact, let me get that centered for you. And just kind of a taste of what's happening. And we're going to move in and get started. So you can see that the pieces are going to work perfectly together. And I'm hoping that you can see here is a grouping of flowers. Now, this stamp with the flowers, there's 2 different sizes. Same thing with the butterflies, 2 different sizes. Same thing with the cutting die, 2 different sizes of butterflies. And they often are using this and then cutting it out by hand and creating some projects with it. So just wanted to let you know about that. And you can see variety. And I thought it was interesting that you can use the stencil underneath the cutting die, and I thought that was nice that they're certainly paired beautifully for that. Look at that, isn't that pretty? So using those cutting dies and it's nice to have the various sizes, at least the 2 of them, so that works well. Okay, more of these, and this is using the stamp. You can see the corner. It's right there, done in purple, which I thought was fun. And then doing, again, the flowers, stamping them and cutting them out. Here is a border, and here are more of the butterflies. I just think that butterflies, you just can't get enough of them. I'm sure you found that too. Again, mixing the elements. So here are the butterflies that are die cut, and then using the stencil to let those butterflies go behind those decorative ones that are so pretty. So just some nice ideas. Okay, taking the butterflies and letting them go around a circle I thought was fun. Here is another look at it. And there are also right here and playing with that corners and playing with the butterflies and the flowers together, of course. And I'm going to go over here. Let's see. I want to get to the papers when they show up. Okay, this is just an interview with Chloe, who is the designer of all of this. And that's always fun to see. That's, you get a little behind the scenes look, so that's fun. And here we have more. So it's your birthday. And in the stamp, you do have a happy birthday with love and flutter by wishes. So this is mirroring the stamps and the cutting die again. So since you've got them both, and that's nice that you can do that, then we're going to get to the papers. Now there are 16 of them. They are A4 size, which is kind of an oversized 8.5 by 11. And you do get cutouts, but you also get not only solids, but you get some patterns. So either way can work for you. So some good greetings, some borders, as you can see, all over, or you could cut them out, should you like to do that. And you can see the backgrounds. So again, some borders, all over patterns, some solids that just will go well, some solids with dots, which is always good. And you can see it staying in that teal and pink, blue, teal, pink, and purple combination. So there you see. and more. So 16 sheets, and then they're all doubled. So you're going to get 2 of each one. So that really makes it quite handy. So let's go back to see some more ideas. These are using them out of just the solid outline piece and just using those. So that's, you know, not to be deterred from just using the silhouette, and that is good. And some ways that you can play with that, especially with maybe glitter paper, glitter cardstock. Here we see some, again, going around a circle, and again having the flowers playing with that. Now this is called Pretty in Pink. So again, it's showing you some different ways that you can color in, and there's also a download for more information. And here we go. So as you can see, now I thought it was interesting that this is using the leaves, and the leaves are on the stamp, as you can see, so that can be done. Or if you wanted to, you could use the leaves on the embossing folder and marry those with the stamps, and the cutouts also. Now these can be cut out from those papers I just showed you. And we'll go here. There's some more. Oh, that's fun. The butterflies in a circle of a kind of a pop-up card. Very good. And just lots and lots of ideas. So that's what we always like. Now we're getting into really colorful, instead of the tone on tone, some really bright colors, and marrying those 2 cutting dies with the outside piece going behind the decorative piece. And then finally, this caught my eye. I thought that was just quite lovely. And again, just does a nice job of using the material. So what I love about the magazine and box kits, well, what I love is that you get so many goodies, but also everything in the magazine is really supporting these elements. So that's really nice. So this is Chloe's Creative Cards collection. You can see 109 beautiful elements. And this is volume 12 from Chloe. And this magazine and box kit and all the goodies is here at paperwishes.com. And I will tell you, it is an exclusive item for us, and we're delighted to have it from our friends at Practical Publishing.